Yep. The music. They're supposed to talk after the music fades out, right?
Hey, dude, yeah, the music supposed to come out. That's when I come out, and I guess it slows down, and that's when we start getting to the dialogue. When music comes,
my director, the one.